Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make tea taste better. Start by using fresh water and the correct temperature for your tea. Green teas like cooler water, black teas need near boiling. Measure leaves by weight or use consistent spoons, and steep for the recommended time to avoid bitterness. Taste and adjust with small additions like honey, lemon, milk, or a pinch of salt to balance flavors gently. Experimenting with add-ins can transform a basic cup into something memorable. Start with mild changes, a thin lemon slice or a tiny spoon of honey, then taste before adding more. For heartier black teas, warm spices like cinnamon or cardamom add depth, while a splash of milk creates creaminess. Keep additions small so the tea still shines, and gradually find your preferred balance by tasting as you go. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to support more simple tea tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for cozy tea moments while reading. Check the description for the link and extra deals, and if you grab a pair, enjoy the comfy boost to your tea ritual. Now, let's get back to the video. Small technique changes yield big taste improvements, so treat tea like coffee. Rinse some leaves to wake flavors and use an infuser that lets leaves expand fully. Temperature control matters, heat water to the correct level for the tea type, and use a timer to prevent oversteeping. Also taste mid-steep if experimenting, and adjust future brews by noting what you liked or disliked to refine your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.